The 60 Plus online project focused on developing and sustaining seniors' use of digital technologies by drawing on personal interests in producing mobile digital stories. We also addressed uncertainties regarding security, privacy, and sharing online by engaging with social media platform. This interest-based model was co-designed with seniors and with 2 councils in Melbourne, Australia, working in the active ageing area. It was put into practice and tested through a series of 3 skills development workshops. Seniors were recruited with help from the councils. They had a variety of digital capabilities and skills, came from different socio-economic backgrounds and different cultural backgrounds. In total, 22 people signed up. 3 themes were nominated to guide social media engagement and the production of digital stories. These were personal or local histories, social groups and clubs, or a walk in the local neighbourhood. Workshops ran for 2.5 hours, including a half-hour break, and they were generally divided into a focus on social media in the first hour and digital story making in the second. In the workshops, we set up personal Instagram accounts and a closed Facebook group to facilitate support amongst each other outside the workshop hours. We used the Adobe Premiere Clip. Participants learnt the editing process, which included selecting relevant content and developing a narrative sequence in relation to their storyboards, and uploaded the videos to YouTube, creating a playlist to showcase all the digital stories online. The videos were presented at local festivals and to council members, including the Mayor. And now, some short extracts from the seniors' digital stories. The first 3 are based on personal or local histories. This is Alison's digital story.
David Askew, an architect, bought blocks and built a mansion called Deep Dean on the corner. The Outer Circle Railway was built in 1891 and the station was called Deep Dean after the house.
Linda's story.
A month of the 2-month settlement period had already passed and I still hadn't found a place I liked. Then I came across one house. This house.
Liz's story.
Dad's poem entitled Parenthood, written about me as his firstborn child. Now you've joined the ranks of a long, long line that stretches from now through the mist of...
Social groups or clubs. Nola's story.
Every day we should be walking. Here's my walking group. They have park benches. We're having morning tea here. We've gone up to Churchill Park. And here we are climbing the hill. We see some kangaroos.
Pamela's story.
The University of the Third Age, or better known as U3A, began in France in 1973 with older adults attending university courses. Britain adopted a community model with members tutoring each other.
Siva's story.
Club members of Batticaloa and had a discussion pertaining to the needs of children who had to become orphans due to the tsunami.
A walk in the local neighbourhood. This is John's digital story.
Is Melbourne really the most livable city? This video is just having a look at a few features of Melbourne which are near to us. First,
Mary's digital story.
Colours of vegetables, very vibrant and very appetizing looking, drawing your attention and having a look.
And Pam's.
Close to the noise and bustle of the Kew Junction is a haven of beauty, the Alexandra Gardens, named after Queen Alexandra, consort of King.
60 Plus Online successfully negotiated barriers to effective digital participation for Australian seniors through dedicated social media activities and mobile digital storytelling. We hope to engage with other disadvantaged communities in the future.